Mr. Rupendra Khurana and Balakrishna Mishra and Amrit Kaur. So we welcome you guys over here. So just want to give a brief about yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Rupendra Khurana and I am the founder of Golden Levi's group of companies that's located in West Delhi. And the Golden Levi's group of companies is bifurcated into two sections. One takes care about the ITES, IT enabled services, and the Golden Levi's Media Arts that takes care of the arts and fashion shows and these kind of services. So as of now, we are upcoming with a fashion show, Mr. Swagger, Miss and Mrs. Glorious, on 20th of April. So this is the reasons we have gathered here. Mr. Balakrishna is going to be the judge of the ramp walk, and Miss Amrit, इनकी academy है Dance with Amrit, तो इनके जो kids हैं, जो trainees हैं, so they are participating in the fashion show. So that's a kids dance competition.
Okay, fine. So my first question with you, sir, that how you think that like what is the reason to organize the fashion show? Because you have already one services that is IT enabled one, right?
Yes, yes.
So coming up with the second business that you have a fashion industry in arts and all. So what is you think that why to organize this fashion show? What is the motto behind it?
See, the prime reason is during the phase of my career, I saw that there is a lot of passion among the kids, youngsters, even the grown-ups into the fashion industry. All they need is a chance. So, running an IT-based industry, I too have taken part in 4 fashion shows. I won second runner-up awards, Mr. Best Attitude Award. He was the judge there.
Okay.
And so that opened a whole new world for me. So this and this is the first time we are also introducing freshers into this fashion show, and because lot many places I have seen freshers are not given a chance to participate, I am encouraging freshers to participate, people of any age group.
Okay. So there is no limit for it?
There is no limit. Once I saw a fashion show in which a person of 70 years was walking the ramp. So that opened my eyes. If a person of 70 years can walk the ramp, so anyone can walk the ramp. So trying to bring a new concept in Mr. Swagger, Miss and Mrs. Glorious fashion show.
Okay, and how you guys got to know about the Rupendra sir and how you collaborating with him?
So I just went for a show as a jury, and I think Rupendra sir was a contestant over there.
Okay.
And that's how we just exchanged our contact, and
Yes,
after that we have done almost many shows together.
Lot
many shows, and yeah, now I'm happy that he has come up with his own show. So yeah.
And what about you, Amrit?
सेम मैम मैं भी इनसे लास्ट शो में मिली थी एंड वहाँ पे मैं अपने किड्स को लेके आई थी डांस के पर्पस. देन मुझे इनके शो के बारे में पता लगा, मैं इनके साथ शो करूँगी.
Okay, fine, that's okay. And sir, like as you told me, there is no age limit. So if I have to apply for it, so what is the what is the process?
Well, there is no rigorous process as such, but when it comes to becoming a participant in a fashion show, let's take about any random person. There is a small amount as a registration fee, so let's leave it at that. And then when the person reaches the venue early in the morning at 8 o'clock, so there is a groomer, he'll be guiding about the how to do the ramp walk, how to stop, how to turn about, how to face the judges, how to do the question answer session. And see, when I did a fashion show in which Mr. Bala was the judge, I was a fresher there, and of course I was groomed by the groomer. You have to stop here, you have to turn around here, and you have to address the answer of the judges. So then it became a habit, and so this is how a fresher can participate into any industry.
Okay. So if like it's a start, like you are starting your journey into the fashion industry, you're just opening their own shows,
Yes.
right? So what are the challenges that you're facing right now while asking for the participants to come, like to advertise the things? What are the challenges you guys are facing?
See, the thing is that if a person opens any business, leave aside the fashion industry, if a person opens any business, there are lot many challenges. When I started my wing of IT enabled services, I faced lot many challenges. To bring about the customer is the major challenge. So now that since I'm already a part of ITES industry, so we are utilizing utilizing this entire social media to bring about the knowledge to the people, awareness to the people, brand awareness as in, and through advertising on social media platforms. So we are trying to bring in the participants.
Okay, so as of now, there is any sponsor that you guys are coming up?
Pardon?
Like any sponsorship, people are giving any sponsor to you, they are just collaborating with you?
Well, as of now, we have not been able to gather any sponsor. Might be due to the reason that the sponsors, they might not be interested to work with a first timer. So that's a general trend, general thought process. But after the show is over on 20th of April, I am also planning another show in July.
Okay.
And after the July is finished, after 3 months, I'm again planning a show. So on and off, on an average after 3 months when the show takes place, then maybe the awareness spreads and sponsors will
Yes.
join in.
And you guys can tell me about your journey till work with the Rupinder sir.
So I have just started my journey with Rupinder sir of now, and let's see how it goes. I'm also super duper excited to work with him, and I've known him since long time. So yeah, he's a genuine person, all I could say, and I'm happy that he has given me this opportunity, and I'm glad. Thank you for that, sir.
And what about you, Amrit?
सी मैम, मैं भी जो फर्स्ट टाइम सर से मिली थी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था इनका नेचर, एंड इन्होंने मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी एज ए डांस ज्यूरी, जो कि मेरे लिए एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी, तो उसके लिए मैं उनको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी.
Okay.
हाँ
thank
जी.
you. Okay, so Madhukisha, my question is to you that you are already doing so many of ramp walks and you're being judged, right?
Yes.
So what are the 3 things that you consider that it's very important while walking to the ramp?
See, it's my personal opinion. What I look up to on a contestant is their posture,
Okay.
their walking style. If a girl is walking, I look at their catwalk.
Okay.
Then for males, I look at their python walk, and then I also look at their body posture. Where are they turning? What is their posing points? And after all, the confident facial expression, that is must. So these are the things I look up to. So yeah.
Okay, yeah. So these are the things that people can check it out and they can prepare it for that, and they can crack and be the winner of that show.
Yeah, yeah.
Also. So there is any criteria we have for the winners also? Like we have decided the winner category 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
There will be the
The
first
third runner-up, second runner-up, first runner-up, and the first position.
Okay.
So since he's going to be the judge, so he'll look into all aspects,
those
walking
things,
style.
okay.
See, just to add on what he has said is absolutely right. He's the master of his subject. So there's also one question answer session that the judge asks
Okay.
to each contestant. So that also depends upon the intelligence of the participant, how cleverly the person faces the question and how cleverly the person answers to the question. So that is also one criteria to enter into the category of second runner-up, third runner-up, and this and that.
Okay, done. So my questions to you, Amrit, that as you are going to be the judge and also you already have a dance academy, right? So what do you think that what a person to look into you while doing dance, like there should be an expressions, right? All these things that we look for. So you are training people, you are getting in touch with the kids. So how it's difficult to manage the kids and teach them about the expressions and everything?
मैम देखो, टाइम के साथ साथ कहते सब कुछ आ जाता है, तो मैंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है स्टार्टिंग से.
Okay.
हाँ जी, एंड मेरे लिए बेस्ट यही है कि अपने किड्स को मैं अच्छे से अच्छे ट्रेन करूँ. हालांकि उनको संभालना एक बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क होता
हाँ,
है, सबको ट्रेन करना, स्टेप्स बाय स्टेप्स रेडी करना, सब कुछ करना, बट जितने भी किड्स मेरे पास आते हैं सब मेरे पास एज अ फ्रेंडली नेचर में रहते हैं. हाँ जी.
And how your parents look up to you while you decided your career to be into the dance?
मैम मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया है.
Okay.
चाहे मैं किसी भी फील्ड में कुछ भी करना चाहूँ, या वो डांस की हो या मेकअप की हो या एज अ मॉडल भी हो, कभी उन्होंने मुझे किसी चीज़ के लिए मना नहीं किया. लाइक जैसे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं डांस के, कुछ पेरेंट्स मैंने सुना है डांस की फील्ड को अच्छा नहीं माना जाता
हाँ.
है ना, बट हमारे पेरेंट्स ने कभी हमारे साथ ये नहीं किया, हमेशा हेल्प भी की है लाइक आगे ग्रो करने में. और मैं भी चाहती हूँ जितने भी बच्चे मेरे पास डांस सीखने आ रहे हैं, मैं उनको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दूँ ताकि वो भी जिस तरह से मैं हार्ड वर्क करके यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ, उनको भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले.
हाँ, और कहीं ना कहीं आज के टाइम में थोड़ा सा ओपन माइंडसेट हो चुका है
जी,
चीज़ों को
जी,
लेके.
जी.
इवन दैट पर्सन वांट टू गो in any of the vertical of their growth, they can go and they can make their career because आजकल प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत सारे हैं
हाँ जी, हाँ
जहाँ
जी.
पे हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, तो वो चीज़ें तो हैं. So my question is to sir that while organizing this event, so to whom people you are considering as an idol या फिर आप किससे ज़्यादा बातचीत कर रहे हो अगर कोई चीज़ें प्रॉब्लम नहीं समझ आ रही कोई चीज़ें तो you are considering someone as a idol over there on that point of
Well, I think I should be rephrasing the question. When there's my ads going on in social media, Facebook and Instagram, so lot many calls I get, lot many queries I get through WhatsApp. So there's some queries I get. I'm a lady of mother of two kids. My kids are in 12th and 10th standard, and can I participate? So as of now, it's more like a counseling session to the people. So someone says I'm a 55-year-old man, can I participate? Because my ad says any age group can apply. So it's more like a counseling session. Sir, you are most welcome to participate. Now that era of lean and thin bodies of the models has phased out, people, since the OTT platform is into so much boom these days, people are much more, interested and connect with the people, regular kind of a guy. And so this is the reason I'm encouraging freshers of any age group, and there is no body shaming as such. If a person is kind of, suppose let's say bulky or lean or thin or any kind of a body structure, he or she is most welcome to apply.
okay हाँ that's important
Yes, that's more
because
important.
anybody can because होता है कि कभी कभार आप अपनी जो जर्नी आप जीना चाहते हो वो नहीं जी पाते due to certain
वो नहीं जी
reason.
पाते. Lot many calls that I get that I wanted to do this at one point of time, but then I got married. Now my
Married,
kids are
baby
in
and all
10th
this
standard, so अब मेरा age इतना बड़ा हो गया, 40-45 years का हो गया. Sir, if you want to pursue your passion, there is no age limit.
So if I ask from you, Krishna, that where you want to see yourself in coming 5 years, if you have any dream that you want to reach somewhere.
See, I really want to work for designers. This is one thing which I'm lagging back, and I've done so many things, but one thing which I've not done is working for big brands and for the designers. So this is something I'm looking forward to do, and if I'm getting an opportunity, I won't leave it. And let's see, within 5 years down the line, let's see if it works
And
out.
same
Yeah.
question to you, Amrit.
मैम मेरा तो यही ड्रीम है कि मैं अच्छी एकेडमी ओपन कर पाऊँ ताकि इंडस्ट्री में मीन्स एक नाम हो सके और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे जॉइंस हो और मैं उनको भी एक अच्छे मतलब प्लेटफॉर्म तक पहुंचा सकूं. मेरा तो फिलहाल यही ड्रीम है.
Okay. That's a good dream because I think आप अगर कहीं ना कहीं एक बच्चों को ट्रेन कर रहे हो तो कहीं ना कहीं वो लोग भी एक जर्नी अपनी अच्छे से तय करते हैं. And the same question with sir, that where you see your business in coming 5 years.
Well, in the coming 5 years, see, as of now, it's just the start. As I said, it's a baby as of now. So, if I want to say something in Hindi, a kahavat, because I'm very fond of these kahawats and saying that ये तो पहला जाम है, अभी तो शाम है. So, it's just a baby right as of now. And let's see down the line how the baby flexes the muscles. So as of now, if you type Golden E-Buys group of companies in Google, so it will show lot many entries and lot many pages will be filled up. So I'm trying to build up a setup. I'm trying to build up a corporate. Most teams will be added. So and then we'll start wholeheartedly.
Okay. So how you find that the competitors will be there, right? In every industry we have a lot of competitors. So what is the like USP we can say, which is the most important ingredient in your business that is not in other business? Like any industry idea you have taken before starting this thing, before doing that for fashion show?
See, when any kind of a business launches, it faces lot of tough competition from lot many competitors, because whenever a person launches a business, he sees there are 10 more other people in the market who are already running the business from the past 10 years. But then again, I think excellent customer support is one USP that every business should have. Not only my enterprise, every enterprise should have excellent customer support. Reach out to the customer and then answer their queries and get the work done. So this is the, I think, the ingredient for every business to gather their space into this professional market. And this is what I'm banking on.
That's the important because
That's the important aspect.
because we can have that competitor research once and then we can just land onto the business. Okay, so anything that point you want, you three like all are working in the same industry, right? Have a little bit of view about the same industry. So what are the major thing and the competitors right now is in the market?
So this question is for me, right?
For everyone,
For everyone.
anybody can answer.
Well, since Balakrishna is into modeling,
Modeling, yeah.
in his phase of career, he might be seeing some competitors also. And I had a talk with him some time back. He also applied in web series.
Okay.
Can I say?
Yeah.
So, there is a web series of Sushmita Sen, Tali, on Geo Cinema.
Okay.
So he also applied as a contestant there. But then there were competitors, there were other participants. He kind of did not get the profile to work in that Tali web series. But then the thing to appreciate here is that he
He
has
applied.
big dreams. He has big plans to work with leading actors and actresses. So that determination should always be there into every person performing either into modeling industry or dance academy or starting out the own enterprise. That strength and determination should be there in everyone. So this is how the people beats the competition and go about in the race.
Yeah, because I think in like we have heard about lot of the things that about the focus and determination you already told me.
Yes.
So these are the two important three ingredients that we should look for, and we should go for it and do our things better way. So my question to Balakrishna, how you feel proud to be yourself that becoming a judge on a very early stage of your life, like.
I can really tell you that I've worked for it day and night, you know. And today when I'm invited as a jury, that's the moment I go to my parents, I tell them, see, again, I have got an opportunity to go as a jury. And, I never thought, at the age of 21, I will judge the contestants who are of 40 years, 50 years. This was never ever my dream.
Okay.
Somehow God had different plans, and I'm really, really, really very proud of myself. And all I can tell you is, I worked hard. I'm here today. This is what I feel. So yeah, I only tell people that work hard. If you want to see yourself at a greater height, then definitely work hard. So yeah.
Yeah, so the same question with Amrit.
यस मैम, जब मैंने भी डांस एकेडमी से लाइक क्लासेस लेना स्टार्ट किया था, तब की जर्नी से लेके अब तक मेरा स्टार्टिंग से ड्रीम था कि ट्रेनर तो चलो एक है ही है, मैं भी एक लाइक डांस ज्यूरी में जाऊँ, जज बन के दूँ, जैसे कि सबका एक ड्रीम होता है। देन मुझे रुपिंदर सर ने अपॉर्चुनिटी जैसे दी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि इन चीज़ों से सबसे ज़्यादा जो खुश होते हैं वो हमारी फैमिली होती है, पेरेंट्स होते हैं। तो मुझे लगा जो मेरा एक ड्रीम था वो भी एक सक्सेसफुल होने जा रहा है। आज ये स्टेज मिली तो हो सकता है आगे और भी अच्छे चांसेस
हाँ,
मिले। हाँ
बिल्कुल,
जी,
कहीं ना कहीं एक रास्ते आपके खुलते जाएंगे धीरे
हाँ
धीरे।
जी, हाँ
God
जी,
will open the doors
एग्जैक्टली,
for you.
हाँ जी,
Absolutely,
जी।
absolutely.
Sir, my question is from you that how many rounds will be there, and how you guys will be shortlisting the winners?
See, the fashion show, when it comes to the mind, is divided into certain categories. Coming to the shortlisting part, he is the master, so he'll be shortlisting. So the rounds that will be, I'll tell in broader, there will be 2 rounds for the contestants, model contestants, for male and female both. The first round is going to be the casuals.
Okay.
Well, they'll be walking the ramp in their casual t-shirt and jeans, and then they'll be answering the questions. He'll be answering. He, along with one more judge, will be there. They'll be asking the questions. They can be general knowledge questions, and how intelligently the contestant answers. So this also depends upon their intelligence. And second round will be informals. So they'll have to walk the ramp in formals, and so combining the data of both the rounds plus the question and answer sessions, then they are going to evaluate the contestants into runner-up section or the first category sections. So this is all. So this is the broader outline platform how the show will operate. Plus, जो इनके academy के kids है, they will participate, and so since she is also a trainer, she has quite of knowledge into judging the performance of dance performance of the kids. So in the kids competition, she along with Mr. Bala, they both are going to be the judge to evaluate the dance performance of the kids, and based upon their data, we'll be giving them trophies and certificates.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and what do you have in mind that you want to make this fashion show open for all the age groups? मतलब ऐसा कोई एक mind में idea था कि जैसा आपने बताया कि आपने एक 70 years.
See, the thing is, I don't want to deprive any opportunity for anyone. So, if a 70-year person can walk the ramp, and plus I also saw another video in which a person walks the ramp. He is a father of an 18-year-old boy, but his boy wanted to walk the ramp, but unfortunately that boy met with an accident and he is no more now. So fulfilling the dream of the boy, that father walks the ramp, and that video is available on all social media. So that gives me an inspiration that if a person can, at this age group has the courage, determination to walk the ramp, 70, 75-year-old person, anyone can walk the ramp. There is no body shaming. A lady says, I am a bulky after my two kids. I said, ma'am, there is absolutely nothing to be scared of, or nothing to be, offended about, to feel offended about. You are welcome to walk the ramp. So in my career, when I have attended 4 fashion shows and one runway in Chhatarpur, New Delhi, I have seen people of all age groups, people of all body types walking down the ramp, and they are getting trophies. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके लिए trophies नहीं है, and they are getting trophies and certificates. So this gave me an inspiration. So opportunity should not be deprived to anyone. So I want to open doors to everyone. So this is my main motto.
Okay, nice. Okay. So Balakrishna, if you want to say something about your journey, how you started doing ramp walk, how you got the opportunity to be ramp walk. So can you just tell the viewers how you started your own journey?
See, honestly, I was never into this modeling. I always wanted to become an actor. So I had auditioned in 2020 for a serial. So which was a Radha Krishna serial, and I had to play a Mantrika role in that. So I had to travel to Mumbai.
Okay.
And वहाँ पे ये हुआ था because of my skin color they had rejected me. So after there, the moment I went there, I auditioned everything, I was selected, and then they rejected me, stating that you're too brown for the role. So that triggered me, and then that's the time when I made sure that I have to get into this industry no matter what. And since then I started. Some people also guided me, stating that first participate into pageants and then get into acting, so that you'll have you won't be camera shy. So after that, in 2020 only, in the month of August, I participated for the Mr. Bangalore, and I won the title. And after that, the one who rejected me, they started coming to me with the work, and that's how it started. And so far, it is going great. So yeah.
That's good. And what about you, Amrit?
मैंने 2019 से स्टार्ट किया था.
Okay.
लाइक एक एकेडमी ज्वाइन की थी डांस सीखने के लिए, जैसे कि मुझे बॉलीवुड एंड कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल आता था, तो मैं चाहती थी कि लाइक भांगड़ा एंड गिद्दा, जैसे कि हम पंजाबी है, ये एक मेन होते हैं ना, तो ये भी मुझे आ जाए तो एक अच्छा रहेगा किसी एकेडमी में वर्क करने के लिए या अपना बिजनेस करने के लिए. 2019 से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. 2020 में मैं एक प्ले स्कूल से स्टार्ट किया था अपनी जर्नी, वहाँ पे एज अ डांस टीचर. देन 2021 से 2023 तक मैंने बहुत सारी एकेडमिक में वर्क किया, लाइक बॉलीवुड डांस सिखाना, भांगड़ा गिद्दा, मतलब रोज़ मेट्रो से ट्रैवल करके जाना. लाइक कॉलेज का भी उस टाइम पे टाइम था, एग्ज़ाम्स होते थे, साथ ही में मतलब मुझे एकेडमी भी जाना है, बच्चों को डांस भी सिखाना है, एग्ज़ाम्स की भी तैयारी करनी है, बहुत सारे मतलब इश्यूज ऐसे होते थे. और लाइक अगर हम अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के टाइम उस टाइम सोचती तो इतने बच्चे मेरे मतलब नज़र में नहीं थे. तब ये सिस्टम था कि बोर्ड्स वगैरह लगाना, सोशल मीडिया का इतना नहीं था, लाइक फेसबुक वगैरह का था, तब भी लोग इतना ध्यान नहीं देते थे. तो ऐसे करते करते स्ट्रगल करते करते 2024 to 25 में मैंने अपने ड्रीम्स थोड़े थोड़े पूरे होते देखे. सोशल मीडिया से मैंने स्टार्ट किया, यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया, वहाँ पे रोज़ मतलब डेली किड्स की वीडियोस अपलोड करना, पेरेंट्स को शेयर करना. धीरे धीरे पेरेंट्स को पता लगा, है ना, तो उससे आज यहाँ तक मैं पहुँची हूँ. ये है.
So
अब मुझे इस फील्ड में 5 years. सॉरी.
When you started dancing, like कब से आपने स्टार्ट किया वो डांस सीखना?
2019 से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था. आता तो मुझे बचपन से ही था, बट एक होता है थोड़ा एक पॉलिशिंग करना.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
तो you started first and then you started teaching.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. So again, my question to Rupinder sir, that so you connected with them and they are going to be the judge of your.
See, I connected with the fire in them. So when Balakrishna says that he was rejected, so he did not become pessimistic. In fact, he
become optimistic.
Exactly. He started fighting out. Like in my last podcast, I have mentioned that life is not about how hard you hit; it's about how hard you get hit and keep moving forward. So he might, and since same way with Amrit, she might also have faced lot many challenges in her dancing careers. And I too faced lot many challenges when I started telling my friends and my elders that I'm planning a fashion show. So that fashion industry is still a stigma in the society. And I was given lot many options. Okay, you can but organize some sports event or X, Y. So this fashion is a very upcoming thing these days. People are much more getting lot of awareness through OTT platforms, through social media, through Facebook, Instagram, and everything. So there is absolutely no harm in planning a fashion show. It's not that I am planning any XYZ bad thing. So, and it's a very healthy topic. I want to spread awareness. So I connected with the fire. Although in my journey I met 10, 12 other people. The reason I am not sitting with them is that I don't see the determination in them. I don't see the willpower to go ahead. So this is the reason I connected with the fire, with the strength, with the determination in them. And this is the main reason I consider them as my team members. Although we are not sitting in one office, but mentally I am connected with them.
Okay. And so my question to Malikrishna, to you, that like how for your life social media has impacted you, or it makes you change like something that you have been growing through social media, like social media का like आपकी life में कोई role अभी तक?
See, I was never on social media.
Okay.
So after getting my work, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि मुझे work मिलना चालू हुआ social media से, no. Because when I started my journey, I didn't even know about Instagram, because I was 14 years old, I guess 14, 15 years old. तो nothing, Instagram ना मेरे पास phone भी नहीं था, तो I wouldn't say anything. But at that time TikTok चलता था. तो वहाँ पे the direct I used to make reel and I had very good amount of good followers. तो मुझे ईमेल पूछा जाता था कि सेंड मी योर ईमेल. तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि व्हाट इज ईमेल, बिकॉज आई वाज आई वाज अ गुड स्टूडेंट, बट मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था क्योंकि मेरे पास फ़ोन नहीं था. तो मैंने कभी ईमेल बनाई नहीं थी. दो आई वाज इन 6, 7 स्टैंडर्ड, मेरे पास फ़ोन नहीं था. सो आई वाज लाइक क्या ईमेल पूछ रहे हैं. एंड मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था डायरेक्टर या कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर किसे कहते हैं, बिकॉज आई नेवर वांटेड टू डू दिस. मेरे फ्रेंड्स बनाते थे रील्स, तो मैंने भी बनाना चालू किया था. तो देन आई स्टार्टेड कि ठीक है जीमेल. देन पापा ने मुझे हेल्प आउट किया. Then after that I did a show, and उसके बाद back to back directors started contacting me directly. But now, yeah, since I'm on Instagram, so yes, it is giving me a grateful impact. It is playing a grateful impact on me.
So my question to Malikrishna, to you, that how social media has impacted your life, or it was into the positive or negative, whatever it is.
So yeah, I was never on social media. So when I started my journey when I was very quite young. And I had no phones. पापा के फ़ोन से रील्स वील्स बनाना. तो at that time TikTok चलती थी. Back in 2018-19, so I was a content creator on TikTok. तो अच्छे खासे followers and I also had good views on that. तो मुझे बहुत सारे लोग emails, portfolios, they were casting directors actually, जो खुद भी TikTok पे थे. तो मुझे नहीं पता था who are these people, and I was like मुझसे क्यों मांग रहे हैं कुछ. I used to get scared, ठीक है. तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था कभी मुझे कुछ opportunities सामने से आएगी, because I have no godparents in this industry. So that's how it started, and then I had auditioned for the serial. जैसे ही मुझे opportunities मिलने लगा TikTok से, तो I auditioned. Then I got rejected, as I told, and उसके बाद I went to this pageant, and वहाँ से मेरी journey start हुई. When I participated and I won the pageant, that's when the directors started coming and they started approaching me on the call, WhatsApp. तो वहाँ से, and now since now I'm on Instagram, so yeah, it is giving me a very good. बहुत अच्छा रहा है इंस्टाग्राम का भी जर्नी. बट नाउ पीपल आर नाउ मोर मच इन्वेस्टेड ऑन टू इंस्टाग्राम, बिकॉज आजकल कास्टिंग यू डोंट हैव टू ऑडिशन. या तुम्हें ऑडिशन भी नहीं करना. इट इज जस्ट दैट कि आपकी फॉलोअर्स देखी जाती है, और योर पर्सनैलिटी, योर गुड लुक्स, एंड दे जस्ट अप्रोच यू फॉर द थिंग. सो या इंस्टाग्राम इज गिविंग मी अ गुड थिंग फॉर नाउ. आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट.
So what do you think, that followers matters?
Really no, I feel, but yeah, even if you want to, if a director or a casting director want कि उनके न्यू प्रोडक्शन है, उनको अच्छे व्यूज चाहिए फॉर एल्बम सॉन्ग या जो भी है, तो दैट्स व्हेन दे लुक अप फॉर द फॉलोअर्स, क्योंकि उनको एक शॉट में उन्हें हाइप करना है. हाँ, तो वहाँ पे मैटर करते हैं. बट मुझे लगता है कि इफ यू आर टैलेंटेड तो हिट तो होना ही है, इवन दो यू हैव 0 फॉलोअर्स. सो बट नाउअडेज पीपल, इवन डायरेक्टर्स एंड एवरीबॉडी आर मच मोर इन्वेस्टेड कि कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं. दैट्स द रीजन आई एम नॉट बीइंग गिवन एनी वर्क राइट नाउ. अगर मेरे पास भी मिलियन फॉलोअर्स होते तो आई थिंक आई वुड ऑल्सो हैव बीन ऑन अ बिग बैनर मूवीज. तो यही है. बट या फॉलो,
we are just like looking at right now, the people on Instagram, they make any kind of content, but if you're making a good content, so it takes time.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you are not making like you make any kind of cringe content, if I say, like which is very
Vulgarity, yes.
so if you do that thing, so you will get viral in seconds or minutes. It's nothing like take time.
Blink of eye. You
Yeah.
don't even have to blink your eye and you have millions of followers and millions of...
I don't know why it is happening. The people who are making good content, they are not even getting recognized. over
And
here.
The biggest
directors...
example of is the Mona Lisa of the Margot.
Yeah.
She got so viral in the photographs
Okay, and then
that as per I think I've heard that she's got
getting a Bollywood movie.
Bollywood movie.
And
Yes.
I was like,
And
"Oh
is this
God."
true?
Yes, yes.
Then why not us?
As per reports in social media, she is
Yeah, but some
getting.
people are saying this is a false statement because nobody can get the movie like this, because we have heard about that Pakistani Seema. She also getting that movie जो Pakistan India का एक
No,
love
but then
था.
there are certain facts that female beggar, she used to beg on this Kolkata station and she got a opportunity with Himesh Reshamya. What was
Yeah,
his
yeah,
name?
Ranu Mandal.
Ranu
She was
Mandal.
singer, yeah.
Yeah, so she used to sing that Lata Mangeshkar songs as a
In the train, I guess.
in the train or
yeah, bus
stations
stop.
or platforms. But then her video became viral and then Himesh Reshamya signed her for a lot many movies and songs, background songs. So, well, luck too plays a part.
Yeah.
But then the person's,
Who's struggling.
Yes.
That person, it takes a lot of their time to reach somewhere. तो वो चीज़ तो मुझे भी लगती है, क्योंकि आजकल जो मैं सोशल मीडिया पे देख रही हूँ, अगर कोई गुड कंटेंट है तो वो जल्दी वायरल नहीं होगा एज कम्पेयर टू दी बैड कंटेंट.
Instagram भी reach नहीं दे रही है.
हाँ, मतलब वो भी अपने हिसाब से.
Instagram को भी cringe because see even they
Like,
get
वो
earned
हाँ,
exactly
they
तो
are
वो publicity हो रही है. And these days when I'm no offense, I see my friends, there are many friends from this industry. They expose themselves a lot, and then I see them overnight they have good views on that, and next day they are called for brand shoot or किसी ना किसी काम के लिए उन्हें opportunities मिलती है and they're busy. तो see, Instagram is also giving this views and insights to those people. तो obviously it is very obvious इसमें director या casting director की कुछ गलती नहीं है, अगर उन्हें views से ही मतलब है. तो अगर उन्हें उन लोगों को लेके अगर उन्हें व्यूज मिलती है, पैसा मिल रहा है, तो they will definitely go for them.
Because everyone is working for money only.
Money only, because money is the main asset. So उन्हें जहाँ से फायदा होगा, they are not seeing कि whether she is talented or what or nothing. Views आ रही हैं, let's cast her. And recently Mahakumbh wala, she has a brown eyes. Even I have a brown eyes, but she has been offered a movie, but I am not offered a movie. So this is the thing, yeah. This was the news which was all over the Instagram, and I was like, yeah, I also have a brown eyes, guys. So this is the thing.
हाँ, this is the main thing that people. So it's like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी कभार ना आपका कहीं ना कहीं एक पॉइंट ऑफ हिट होता है सक्सेस के लिए, कि कब वो हिट कर जाए आपको नहीं पता है. कि हो सकता है कि might be somebody is walking in airport and they get some click from yours and उसमें आप वायरल हो जाओ.
Yes,
कुछ
yes.
भी आप कह ही नहीं सकते. आज का टाइम ऐसा है कि आप कहीं भी कभी भी कोई आपकी फोटो क्लिक करते हो, वो वायरल हो सकती है, आपको भी नहीं पता.
So the key essence here is to keep on working and keep on doing the job, whatever you are interested. Like Balakrishna is into acting and modeling industry. She is passionate about the dance industry. You are passionate about the job that you are doing in. So always it is right to keep up the good work rather than अपना bad job pessimistic होके that एक opportunity नहीं मिला, दो नहीं मिला. So it's always the key word is to keep on working, keep on struggling, and at the end you will get the success.
No matter Instagram में देगा कोई तो देगा.
Yeah.
The thing is patience रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप ये बोलोगे कि एक रील बना के मुझे 1 million views चाहिए, 2 movies sign कर लो, nobody is going to do that. Because we have also seen that so many actors who have worked, deadly worked. उन्होंने मतलब they have not even taken 3 times का meal. उन्होंने बहुत कुछ sacrifice किया. But ये था कि उनमें dedication और passion थी कि मुझे करना है. उन्होंने हार नहीं माना. So this is what I also take it on myself. Have patience. If things has to work out, it will definitely work out. So yeah, again, faith also plays, destiny also plays a major role. So let's see.
Yes, like we all say that we plan our things, but God has different
Different
plans.
plans.
So
Yeah.
just go with the flow. There is nothing other concept that we can live for.
Yeah. Keep working. Keep investing yourself. यू नो ट्राई समथिंग, जो नहीं वर्कआउट हो रहा है तो कुछ और में देखो, बट डोंट स्टॉप. ये मत बोलो कि नहीं हो रहा है एंड लेट्स सिट एट होम आइडल, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू फेच यू वर्क.
And I think that's the most important also, that be consistent whatever you're doing.
Whatever
Because
you're doing.
If you're consistent towards thing, क्योंकि एक रील पे एक रील लाइक आना है, that's okay. But अगर आपने वो स्टॉप कर दिया एक रील पे एक लाइक पे, तो then it's not a point to be discussed like कि हम फेमस नहीं हो रहे.
Exactly.
If you are consistent about the certain things, then things gonna be
See,
work out for
if
you.
things has to work out, no, if you want to have a good thing, so it takes time. If you know, good things definitely takes time to happen. And you know, when we are talking about the sir had given the example of Mahakumbh girl, मैंने उसके पेज पे देखा, शी इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग सो मेनी रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वो वायरल हो गई एक पब्लिसिटी स्टंट से. सो सामना समय मुझे लगता है कि ये पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है. You have seen even recently celebrities भिखारी बन के रोज बेच रहे हैं on the streets and everything, they have colored themselves. So it is a publicity stunt, I feel. Views chand followers के लिए people are doing this and it is good. ठीक है, if that is fetching.
People are contacting media also to come. Like
PR.
You see,
Yeah.
PR industry is there.
PR
Urfi is there.
Yeah.
She is also doing like somebody, because she was known to any.
Nothing.
कोई family नहीं थी godparents नहीं थे industry में. But she knew कि how I can make my place in that industry.
Exactly.
So the point to make my place in the industry, so she get into like whatever the dresses she was wearing, she was comfortable, and people are entertaining her. So that's her point.
The end of the discussion over here about her is she getting paid for what she's doing? Yes, dude, she's making a huge amount.
Yeah.
She's
Yeah.
definitely getting paid for what she.
Yeah, and her costume से Cannes Film Festival, Met Gala में people are getting inspired and people वैसे costumes
Costume
बना रहे हैं. तो she's getting paid for it. तो ठीक है, it is a PR stunt.
One designer, Nancy Tyagi.
And
she got famous.
yeah, and I had seen her podcast, you know, and she didn't even know, you know, English बात करना, उसे English नहीं आता था. But you know, look at the confidence. She was so passionate and she was so consistent कि वो Cannes Film Festival में इंडिया को represent की है. So वही है कि you know, you just have to be dedicated. Time लगता है चीज को होने में. So yeah, let's see how things works out.
And so the more question to Amrit, that how your social media life is going on.
लाइक हम स्टार्टिंग में तो सोशल मीडिया का इतना कोई रूल नहीं था, बिकॉज डांस में एक है कि आपको डायरेक्टली वहाँ जाके सबके सामने लाइक अपना टैलेंट दिखाना होता है, शो करना होता है. लाइक हम जॉब के लिए भी जाते हैं, या किड्स को भी अगर आपको किसी को सिखाना है, सबसे पहले उनके पेरेंट्स का क्वेश्चन होता है, आप अपना मतलब आपको क्या आता है, लाइक उनको सबके सामने करके दिखाने. तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा मुझे ये सब, बट धीरे धीरे करके जैसे सोशल मीडिया आया तो उसमें हमारे लिए इजी ये हो गया, हम डायरेक्टली अपनी वीडियो शेयर कर सकते हैं पेरेंट्स से. लोग देखते हैं ना कि कहाँ से कहाँ मतलब क्या जर्नी है या क्या क्या फॉर्म्स आपको आती है. तो एक गुड इम्पैक्ट है मेरे लिए. तो ये चीज़ है, और चीज़ें करना ईजी हो गया इससे.
If you're good in doing all those stuff, acting and all those stuff also, then you just post your video.
हम इजीली शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो हमें इतना कुछ वो नहीं
हाँ,
है.
WhatsApp पे शेयर करो, धीरे-धीरे views मिलते हैं, and somewhat you will get the reach whatever you want. So that's the point.